were standing there, you bravely let me in. I could wait 1,000,000 years or more until you came knocking at my door. It's hard to be this real. We can play our favorite song, dancing to it all night long. With you I feel something, 'cause we're both so unashamed. We're not playing any games. I found a star in you, always guiding me to where my words are true. I've waited 1,000,000 years before, and I'll do it all again just to make sure. Yeah, it's hard to be this real. We can play our favorite song, dancing to it all night long. With you I feel something, 'cause we're both so unashamed. We're not playing any games. Yeah, it's hard to be this real. We can play our favorite song, dancing to it all night long. With you I feel something, 'cause we're both so unashamed. We're not playing any games. Oh, playing. We're not playing any games.
On the road again. I swear these bags get heavier. To be fair, when I came out my bag was 15.5 kilograms, and then it went up 2 kilograms. I'm not actually too sure how. And then it's gone back down a kilogram. So around the 16 mark. But yeah. Hang on that. Like super heavy guys. But the boat seems to be up this way.
What are you waiting for?
Whoa. The waves are big.
So we're getting a boat off the beach and we are heading back to Krabi. Railay is awesome. I think you'll be very happy if you come here. Awesome place. We think we've got to go down there to get on a boat to then head back to Krabi.
Yeah.
The bottom third of my shorts are wet. I didn't manage to get on completely dry. Like, this is it. Goodbye, Railay Beach. Bring on Koh Tao, bring on Koh Phangan.
آدم ولاد الحليماي وآدم ولاد الفتوماي يا لدي من قاموا كده بلا وسوا Mina mana wal besara.
Clambered out with all our luggage out of this tiny little bike trike.
I think we might have destroyed it.
100 baht though, take us like 1 kilometre.
بشاكل وبنياوة ليل نهار إلا ترى دنقرهم واحد تكيني يالم قلتيا بس هوانين هذا هو امبارح القريب ده آدم كربس ليب ومشت في مدينة وهوانا التاني ده كله جزر ويسو مثل أنبار بارا غرنو قيل وكله فاتق دنيا دورت ودورت هدو قبلوا إلا يلوم يالا دبوك الشك شك وابج بهو بناجل الكانو دود جابوا لهم كبرونغات وكل واحد بندقيته أطول من تاني لقوا كلاشات ده وين وبسووا بهم شنو زول كده وابعرفي وكم شفتين في دريب تكين ديوك بس ده بهامر في ده كلام كله وهذا عنسو شهماي ونار بس وكلام زول كده وابا سمو هامبارح القريب ده بنجوز خيول آدم حليمة نقرا هوانا التاني ولاده لفتو ماي هادواس يا قامت ودي بالله يالا داوس ودواس شين قدر ما كلمنا كده وابا سمو هاقوم يا آدم أجري جيبي بندقية الهوان ده وتر كده فرتقى في روسين التاني كله جري مرقى بندق وكربك في شارع ناس جيرو وانينا كوركنا.
And you stuck into it before I even got to really film it.
Oh.
No, don't worry about it.
Yeah.
That's what I have to deal with every morning. She's got a fruit bowl. I've got a Vietnamese coffee. We're still in Thailand. Vietnam's coming up. Looking forward to these bags. Hello, feels weird doing a video again. It's been weeks since we've done a video, but we'll fill you in later. But at the moment we're back in Koh Tao and we are going to John Suan Viewpoint. Kelly's obviously applying sun cream because nothing's changed there. As you can see, she's got a tan to some degree. Oh, the air is like thick, moisture air, you can breathe it in. Kelly's butt hanging out the bottom of the shots.
Viewpoint and really doesn't disappoint. It's incredible, and we thought we saw everything that Koh Tao had to offer, but it just